Have you ever watched these videos?
Where did you learn what it means to reciprocate?
How much can I be expected to tolerate?
I bet you have seen it at least once or accidentally scrolled through it on TikTok or any social media platform. Have you noticed marble race videos taking over your feed and going viral with millions of views? It's not just random luck. These simple yet incredibly engaging videos are grabbing attention like never before. And here's the exciting part. They're super easy to create. Whether you're looking to grow your channel, start earning money, or just have a bit of fun, marble races are quickly becoming one of the most effortless ways to produce content that hooks viewers, gains followers, and even gets you monetized faster than you might expect. Yes, you can start making real money on platforms like TikTok with these videos. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through exactly how you can jump on this trend and start creating your very own marble race videos that have the potential to skyrocket your channel to the next level. So, if you're ready to turn something fun and easy into a potential viral sensation, let's dive in and get rolling. Step 1. Download the Marble Race app. First things first, we need to download the simple Marble Race app. This is the foundation of your video creation process. Head over to your device's app store, search for Simple Marble Race, and hit that download button. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up. This is where the fun begins. Step 2. Finding and customizing your marble characters. Now that we have the app ready, it's time to make your marble race truly unique by customizing your marbles with some eye-catching characters. But before we dive into customization, you'll need to collect some images of characters you want to feature in the race. Think about popular characters or themes that could make your video stand out. Get creative with it. You could use anything from superheroes, video game characters, or even meme icons. For this tutorial, I'll be using Deadpool and Wolverine. Once you find the perfect images, download them to your phone. These will be the key to making your marble race stand out from the crowd. Step 3. Importing and customizing your marbles. With your character images ready, let's head back to the Simple Marble Race app. Tap on the editor option, then select Marbles. This is where you can customize your marbles. Choose the option to import an image and upload the first image you downloaded. That image will now become your custom marble. Don't forget to give it a name. This adds even more personality to your race. Repeat this process for each character, ensuring that each marble has its own unique look and vibe. This will really help bring your race to life and give your audience something to root for. Step 4. Setting up and starting the race. Now that you've customized your marbles, it's time to set up the race itself. Return to the homepage of the app and click on Start Race. You'll be presented with a few different options, but for this tutorial, we're going to choose Single Race. From here, select Classic and tap Continue. Next, tap the plus icon to add the custom marbles you've created. You can also delete any default marbles that you don't want in your race by simply clicking on them and removing them from the lineup. Once your custom marbles are all set, it's time to select the race tracks. Choose at least 3 tracks to make the race more interesting, and when you're satisfied with your selection, tap Start. Now sit back and watch your customized marbles zoom through the race. But don't just watch. Be sure to screen record the entire race so that you can save it and use it in your final video edit later. Step 5. Adding background music. The race footage is now saved, but to really make your video stand out, you'll need some background music. While the Simple Marble Race app does come with built-in music options, using them might result in a copyright claim, which we definitely want to avoid. Instead, we're going to use non-copyrighted music to ensure your video is safe to post and monetize. To find free, copyright-safe music, head over to pixabay.com. Once you're on the site, navigate to the music section. Here you'll find a wide selection of free tracks to choose from. Take your time to browse through the different genres and vibes until you find the one that perfectly fits your marble race. Whether you're going for something exciting and fast-paced or something more laid back, there's plenty of variety. Once you've found the perfect track, download it to your device. Step 6. Editing your marble race video. To finalize your marble race video, use CapCut, a free video editing app. Start by creating a new project and importing your race footage. Lower the original sound, then add the background music you downloaded from Pixabay, adjusting the volume to fit. Step 7. Finalizing and exporting your video. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to export the video. For the best viewing experience, you'll want to make sure you're exporting the video in the highest possible quality. Set the resolution to 4K and the frame rate to 60 FPS for the best result. Once the settings are adjusted, click Export and save the final video to your device. Step 8. Sharing your video. And that's it. Your custom marble race video is ready to share with the world. You can now upload it to TikTok, YouTube, or any other platform where you want to grow your audience. If you followed these steps, your video is not only fun and creative, but also optimized for engagement. Let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think. Happy racing!